Do you have a Kia Sorento with a UVO radio and the screen is blank? I'm going to show you how to reset it. So this radio, the screen is blank on this vehicle. No matter what you do, none of the buttons work. What you do is take a pen and you're going to push this little button right here with the key on. And now it's reset. And the screen works. And let's see if it works. And there we go, it works. So that's how you reset the radio. Now it's important to note that this is just what you do in an emergency situation. If you're far away from the dealership, you can push this to get yourself out. So keep in mind, when you hit that reset, that just resets the radio. That does not mean that you fix the radio. There probably is an internal problem with the radio. You're going to want to call the dealership, let them know that you got stuck and you had to reset the radio, and they will probably have to see the vehicle, so you may want to make an appointment.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.